today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and customize tables in Google Slides. This is a straightforward skill that can significantly enhance your presentations by helping you organize information in a clean and professional way. First, head over to Google Slides, open your web browser, and go to slides.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account. Having an account is necessary to access and edit presentations, so make sure your credentials are ready once you're signed in. You'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you can see all your recent presentations and also explore available templates. You can either start fresh with a blank presentation for full creative control or select from Google's templates if you'd like some pre-designed structure to save time. Now let's move on to inserting a table. With your presentation open, go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, select Table. A grid will appear that allows you to choose how many rows and columns you want. For example, if you need a table with 3 rows and 4 columns, just hover until that size is highlighted and click to insert it. Your new table will now appear directly on your slide. At first, the table may look quite plain, but this is where customization comes in. You can easily adjust the size of rows and columns by clicking and dragging the borders of the cells. This ensures your table fits your content comfortably. To customize the style and look of your table, select it and explore the formatting options on the toolbar. You can change the border color, adjust line thickness, and even fill cells with background colors. These features allow you to align your table's design with the overall theme of your presentation, making your slides more visually appealing and professional. And that's it. You've just learned how to insert and customize tables in Google Slides. Tables are a fantastic way to organize data, compare information, and make your slides more interactive and engaging. With a little practice, you'll be adding tables seamlessly into your presentations in no time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and you'll see just how powerful Google Slides can be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.